Welcome back to Top Moments TV today. Get ready because we are taking you on some intense moments and tech adventures that are not for the faint of heart. Dangerous situations await just ahead. Fasten your seatbelts and jump in. Master operator, classic caterpillar, small shovel, big logs. Witness the skills of a master operator as they bring a classic caterpillar machine back to life. Watch this compact yet powerful shovel handle giant logs with precision and skill. Experience the majesty of the log trucks as they move. Every move, every turn on the narrow mountain roads is a testament to the experience and bravery required to tame these steel giants in one of the most challenging environments in Mexico. Get ready for a wild ride as Uncle Sam takes on the ultimate challenge at the Slowpoke Mud Bog. Watch this beastly machine roar, tackling the infamous bounty pit with sheer force and determination. Adventure with forestry trucks on dangerous roads. Forestry trucks, loaded with logs, slowly move through narrow, challenging mountain roads. Roaring farmer over architectural slope, a tense journey and a surprising ending. Supercar Rayo 3-axle competes with modified car Chugo KO. Accelerate with full power. The game of power. When the two monsters of the forestry truck village appeared, all eyes were on the eye-catching performance of the Rayo 3-axle and the modified car. Are you ready to experience the feeling of stepping on the gas too much? Follow along to not miss these precious moments. Dramatic recovery. Dump truck stuck in deep mud rescued by Komatsu excavator and bulldozer. Witness the ultimate battle against nature as a giant concrete dump truck finds itself hopelessly stuck in unforgiving mud. We could not even imagine what awaited us ahead. The legendary ZIL 157 was back in action. This iron giant, tested by time, carrying a huge load of timber over difficult roads. Drama in Batu Jamba. Tense moments of accidents this year. Batu Jamba, an area known for its treacherous roads, has once again witnessed a horrific accident. Mud splashes and the ground shakes as the powerful machines push forward through the sinking mud. Every move feels like a battle against the forces of nature. The tires spin furiously. But progress is slow and requires precise control. How does that sound?
Vamos puxar pra lá. Você tá doido?
Mamalone's Endless Sierra de Durango. Majestic trucks with superior power. Rushing through the rugged, challenging mountain roads. Despite the roughness of the terrain, these vehicles still move strongly, carrying heavy loads of wood. Imagine a strong, sturdy three-axle taxi on steep and rocky roads. Following heavy logs, each wheel seems to be facing a challenge. Plowing through each dangerous section of the mountain stream, where the rocks and soil slide and there is no room for error.
Đoạn của hôm vừa rồi quay xe của mình nhé.
The most daring driver in Vietnam, making anyone afraid when meeting him. With his adventurous driving and extremely excellent talent, he always makes people's hearts skip a beat when driving through dangerous, winding roads. The Siki 6000 and Kubota tractors traverse the muddy road, carrying heavy logs. These machines not only demonstrate superior power but are also symbols of strength and durability on the most difficult roads. The powerful 6-engine Boma V6 and Hyundai Go modified cars are conquering challenging stormy roads. With the superior power of the 6-cylinder engine, these cars are like durable warriors, constantly moving forward, crossing deep mud puddles and difficult roads.
Hai xe luôn. Nghe không? Từ đây thì lún rất là sâu luôn nhá.
Loading logs, Balau, heavyweight, with Caterpillar 966H wheel loader. Witness raw power and precision as the Caterpillar 966H wheel loader tries tackle the challenging task of loading heavy Balau logs.
Mutta ne väärällä kohdalla saattaa olla. Lupissa ei ole 23 tonnia, vaikka tuota vaakata näyttää.
The Forestale's camiones, with their superior strength and durability, have become symbols of the logging industry. Hyundai D16, the wood truck, faces the challenge of the narrowest and red road. This road is not only slippery but also full of dangerous curves. Each trip back becomes a fierce battle. A dump truck on a ramp is an extremely dangerous sight, as the vehicle has to overcome steep, slippery and rocky roads. Every move of the vehicle carries stress, as the wheels have to withstand the weight in difficult terrain. In Lura Barangan, a thrilling scene occurred when the stuck container truck was finally evacuated. PJKR, road and construction officers, acted quickly, carrying out actions that pumped adrenaline and made the heart beat. Comparison between two legendary Soviet trucks, Ural and ZIL 131, is Ural, with TZIL 131, default, while Ural carries ZIL 131. Ural will be SIL minus 131 seconds. DAX 665T, the perfect combination of technology and power. DAX 665T is not just a machine but a symbol of power and outstanding performance in the industry. The impressive performance of the 6-engine Daewoo vehicle, the 17-ton acacia wood load up the steep slope, makes the viewers unable to take their eyes off. With the superior power of the 6-engine engine, the vehicle easily lifts up, pulling heavy blocks of wood, climbing the slope as if nothing could stop it.
Rất là nghiêng rồi các bạn ơi. Đạt được cái gì rất là nghiêng nhá.
The powerful tank with 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines, like a monster on the road, conquering the steep slopes with superior power. Every throttle is a powerful performance.
Một con máy lên dốc một bé quá. Đó, con này xong xuôi con vào, đó là con thấy không? Đó, thế. Đó, biết không? Còn mấy con dốc nó rất dài nhưng mà nó bê tông, nó bị quay. Đây có 2 cái suối nữa. Cầu trước. Lại về. Đường đây so sánh cũng là lăng thang thôi. Thôi, cái này đường nó cũng khá đẹp rồi. Thôi, chào tạm biệt con.
The forests of Panguapum, a majestic natural area, where fire and the destruction of vehicles combine with natural conditions in Chile. On the 28th of May 2014, an impressive demonstration between the machines of Senabagan and Livland took place. Bringing unforgettable moments, these machines, known for their outstanding power and durability, really made a strong impression on the spectators. Thank you for joining us in this epic event. At Top Moments TV, we always bring you amazing images of powerful machines in action. If you love these moments, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next exciting videos. We will be back with more exciting things. See you next time.